Okay, so I'm selling these watch repair tools and machine, cleaning machine for my father-in-law, and these tools belong to my father-in-law's father, so they're quite old. So my great grandfather-in-law's tools. So I'm selling this for my father-in-law. These are not mine, and the money will go directly to my father-in-law. So we have some tools here, some tweezers and pliers, and a Java tool from Switzerland, made in Switzerland. JAXA, Swiss-made, patented. We have some screwdrivers here, different colored schemes. This holder is made in Japan. I don't know if you can see that. It says right there. Trying to focus in. Made in Japan. This one here is made in Switzerland. Swiss made. Vigor. We have a whole bunch of other tools here. These are True Seals. About one package each is worth about 20 bucks. There's a lot of them here in different sizes, and some of them have come out of their packages. So there's a lot more than what I posted. A lot of watch parts here, dial washers. All these will go into the cabinet right here when I'm done. Some dust-proof crowns. And we found the part for the stacking kit right there. These are the LR jugs. It says LR right on them. I don't think this one here is an LR jug. There's one missing. These are all the baskets. Here's the LR machine. When I turn it on, it spins. The dial makes it go faster depending on how far you turn the dial. You turn it back the other way. This button reverses directions. And I don't know what this button does. Maybe it's the heater. But I have no idea if the heater in there works at all. I have no way to test that. Let me shut that off. Yeah, and that's it. There's a lot of tools there. A lot of vintage tools too. As I mentioned, I'm not selling this for me, I'm selling this for my father-in-law.